Yo guys, it's me again here, Tom, and this is another new episode of Tony Hawk's Underground 2. So as you can see, we have managed to complete Berlin completely, and now it's time for Australia, so let's just do it.
Hey guys, check me out.
What the fuck is he doing? Bang.
Kind of ironic, man. Him nailing a wiener cart. Get it?
Well, he's not our problem anymore.
Oh.
The Hockaloogie hit rookie swap again, and we got our old teammate back.
We are back at Tony Hawk's team, I guess.
Mates, Nigel Beaverhausen, writer, producer, director. Today, I'm here to chat to you about skateboarding.
Skateboarding.
Crackers and grapes with a 7. The kids with nuts for it.
Weird dudes, really.
Best you blokes are doing is tubular, mega righteous. Dudes, I'm talking rad.
Did he just said nigga righteous? What the fuck?
Capture it on video for you. You know they're huge, worldwide. And with a name like Nigel Beaverhausen, you can't go wrong. So, homies, what do you say?
What the fuck? I don't know, but okay.
I guess he got his answer, huh? Hey, yo, if Australia's our next stop, isn't Bangkok on the way? Yeah!
What the fuck? Yeah, Polly. I really love the short clips because, yeah, it's just so funny.
Oh man, Thailand was out of control. Now we can own. They passed out on a boat and ran
So the arcane high score machine, Boardwalk grind combo, lipping the mini, find the special guests, some weird looking guy, and drain the tide pool, probably to skate it, interrupt the meal or 6, find the shrimp vendor, wake up sleeping beauty. Yeah, we're gonna go with Rodney Mullen, I guess. So first thing first, we're gonna complete the arcane machine. So 80,000 in a minute shouldn't be too hard, to be honest. But like you guys already know, I'm not really that good at skateboarding, but oh my god, I just had it almost in one combo, guys. Jesus. I think we have already more than enough, but oh wow. Yep. So we're just gonna end it right there. And you will Boardwalk grind combo, grind all the 3 of the Boardwalk railings and score 50,000 points. I don't think that should be too hard. Is it here or is it... oh no, it's this one, I guess. Yeah, it should be this one, and oh my god, we didn't get it, guys. Oh well, we found the shrimp cellar, so we got a message. You throw big good time party, you come back to Thailand soon. I call you phone number you give, but man, name Bob Burnquist, answer. Who he PS. What the fuck? Thai baby. Oh man, this game is just so funny. Okay, so let's try the combo again. Oh yeah, we should be good. Lipping the mini, 50,000 point combo. Oh, there's the mini, so I guess. Yeah, oh, we grinded it, so just need to. Oh my god! What the? Why can't I just do a stupid lip trick? Yeah, good enough. Find special guests. I think this is something to do with. Yeah, it's the water thing we need to spin, I guess. Oh. Backflip spines and shit. Need to spin. I think it should be this. Yeah, definitely this. So a short cutscene would come. Poor dude. What the fuck? It's like a koala hat, I guess. Not sure, but mass destruction. And there would the special guest be, I guess. Yeah, this is the first thing, and then this should be the place where he should be. Yo. So that was not really hard. Drain the tide pool. Find a way to drain the tide pool so that you and your teammates can skate it. Well, it shouldn't be that hard. I just think we need to grind the electric thing there. Yeah, it should be that, definitely. Yo, easy. We got one thing left, I guess. Interrupt the meal or 6. Find a place where people are eating and see if the food starts flying. Okay, I know where this one is. We just need to get on top, and this would be the perfect thing. Yeah, definitely it is. What table did I miss? I don't know. Oh, the first one. Yep. Yeah, that's all these things. So let's do the I don't know, what should I do first? Maybe the shrimp master.
Die, mate. Throw a few shrimp on the barbie.
Shrimp slamp, rollin', seagull scatter, and a real man flips stairs. Yeah, first things first. So no one is swimming because of the sharks in the water. So the lifeguard. Oh yeah, we just need to throw shit at them again. No problem. Here are the shrimps. Shrimp. Oh, so this is a lifeguard. Love doing this. Nothing here. He's flirting, I guess, so that's 3. Where the others would be, I don't know. Oh yeah, here's 1. Oh, did I really miss it? Oh my god. Okay. I don't know where the other one is. This one we did do already, but just for the fun of it. Somebody here or something. Did I miss something here? No, I did not. This should be the 5th. Yeah. Get special and perform 2 rot series over the gap. Oh, that's a huge gap. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna try the trick first because, okay, it's quite easy. Hope it will be good enough. The gap should be here. 1, 2, and then. Oh no, I totally missed it. Sorry, guys. It's really far gap. I don't know if I will be able to make it. Oh, I had it. I just needed to do acid drop, but oh well. I guess I can do it backwards because we need to land in the transition. Can we backflip it? Yeah, we can. Cool. Okay, third tries his charm, I hope. Yo, that was really close, but I'm glad we got it. Seagulls are nothing more than a bag of crap. Okay, true. And your third hand have proven time and time again. Scatter 10 single and 1 single combo. I don't know if this one will be easy, guys. 10 seagulls and 1 combo is much, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, not the first try. 10 seagulls is also much. So, I don't know about that. Oh well, I guess we will see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my god, no! I don't wanna. Oh my god, no! Ah, did you see it? I just had 9. Oh my god, so bullshit, really. Oh wow. Yeah, oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know. No, I think I just screwed it up already. Oh my god. This is definitely not one of the easier levels, I guess. Well, the farther in the game, the harder the levels will be, I guess. So, don't really have a problem with it. But 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, maybe. Oh my god, again? Jesus. Three, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, oh my god. This ain't easy, really. I also don't know if I'm doing it right, because I don't know if the... Yeah, my god! I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really sorry, but yeah. Trying to get some more speed, maybe this would help. Oh my god, no. 1, 2. Damn. Really? Seven. Really getting tired of this shit, really. I'm like 15 minutes almost in the video, so this will be a long video if I'm keeping shit RNG. I don't know. 7, 8, 9. Come on! No! Oh my fuck! Did you guys see that? Again? Jesus! To fucking throw your controller at the... God! Yeah, no, it's only one. I'm not even gonna try that. No, oh, did you see that? Oh, the giant is so close. Oh my fucking god. I swear. I didn't know this was so hard. Jesus. Okay, so again 3-4. Oh my god, please. I'm begging you. No. My god. My fucking god. Suck my balls, I swear. Jesus. No, it's only one. Jesus. I'm really getting upset right now. 1-2 again. Yeah. Please, oh my fucking god. Yes. Fucking yes. Sorry for the swearing, guys, but this was such a pain in the ass, I swear. Let's continue before this video takes a whole fucking day. Get focused, try a 360 double heel flip down the stairs, and it needs to be clean. This is a heel flip, yeah, okay. This should be the stairs, yeah. I hope this doesn't take too long. What was not good around it? I don't know. I really don't know. It was clean and everything. Yeah, okay. That's bullshit. What? Am I doing something wrong or? Oh, a 360 double heel flip. Jeez. I was complaining about 180, but yeah, of course. Oh, it's 360. Oh yeah, just gonna go out of. Need to get some special also. That just was it. It just wasn't that clean, I guess. To get clean tricks is really hard, I guess. Yo, I'm so happy I can say goodbye to this special guest because I really hate him to skate with. So. I'm gonna take this crazy fellow. I think I find a way to distract them and make them run for it. The crane, so I just think we need to grind it because now it's the other way, so that's what I'm gonna try, at least. This is so weird to try to skate with. I think it's just already enough, but it will be a funny clip. Oh, the poor koala's ears are off it. Gets hit by a truck. Again, destruction, I love it. So now the cop will be going nuts about this car and the other guys will just run away, I guess. Nice. The paradise combo. Now that you found this beautiful paradise skated, grant all of the ledges. I think that's good enough. No, not good enough. We're going for 100%. Else I did not have the need to do some shitty things. So 1, 2, still I think. Okay, I did not think I would have made it in one try, but oh well. Handicap Havoc. Use the mini. Oh yeah, you need to hit those handicap signs. What the fuck? Didn't I hit it? Oh, okay. Bang. Yeah, you should try that in real life, guys. Just jump out of a go-kart and do a front flip or back flip. Just try it. 2 of the 5. Ooh. What the fuck was that? That was weird, really. Didn't I get it? Okay, I think I need to hit it with a trick or something. I don't know. Really, I don't know. So 4. The 5th should be I don't know. Oh. Okay. Mini go-kart blast off. Get some speed in the mini go-kart and air over out of a 540 spin over the gap. Holy shit! So, oh, but we can get much speed out of this spine. So yeah, it's holy shit. Okay, so that's 3 down, 1 to go.
About time I get to skate some tech.
Jump without the parachute. Tag the billboard. Treasure hunting, Hank. Focus on a oh no, not again. Clean flips. Kenny's real feelings and the team challenge and holy shit, it's a big gap, I guess, and balance over. First things first, I guess. Jump without the parachute. Okay. No, I'm gonna do the billboard first because that's actually the hardest one. I'm gonna try to do it in 1 try, but I don't know if I will make it, but because it's a really hard gap, so but I will do my best, and we will see. So here we go. Basically the billboard is right on the other side of this things, so we are really gonna need to okay, we made it. So this is the billboard, and now we can spray it. Gonna see what he makes of it. Should look badass like always, but oh yeah, you don't know always. So that's this. There was something to drop. Now I can just use this ladder. Okay, this should be nice. Treasure hunt Hank. Find a few sodas for him. Okay. I just guess we need to grind some of the. Oh yeah, okay, that's the only thing we need to do. So that was 1. There's a second one. I don't think there. I think I saw. Holy shit! I think I saw something in the beginning of this level. Yeah. Now go and see Hank. I think it's a treasure hunter near the beach somewhere. Oh, this weird dude. I'm gonna check what the next goal is. Focus on a clean double flip. Get focused. A clean 180 flip. This will take ages, I guess, because I'm really bad at clean flips. So those are the cars. So yeah, let's see it. Is it a kick flip we need to do, or yeah, 180 double kick flip, clean as fuck. That was it, but it wasn't as clean as I thought it would be. So it was also it, but again, not that clean, I guess. Yes. Well, that took less long. After years of dedicated service as a mascot of the zoo, Kenny's award statue needed spin on candy fingers. Weird. Really want to see. So no, he only has his middle finger, I guess. I'm gonna check it. Yeah, he only has his middle finger. Yeah, the team challenge we gonna do as last. Find and hit the big. Holy shit. That's a really far gap. That would be from this one all the way across this platform to the small one. Holy shit. I'm gonna try to use the spine for this one, because I think that's the way to get most speed. So okay, let's try it. Oh my god, it will. Jesus. It's a really far gap, so I don't know if I'm doing it the right way, but oh well, I guess we'll see. There are not many places where I can get more speed, so yeah, this one. Holy. Balance up and over. Perform a manual from the base. Oh, it's like up and over. Yeah, okay. Also something with speed. I'm gonna use this spine also, I guess. I'm gonna backflip it, and then we're gonna. Oh, first try maybe if I can keep my. Yes. Okay, we are almost done. 3 skaters, 1 high owning. You're pro, and your teammate. Oh, and the shrimp dude. Oh my god, have to grind. It would be that thing, I guess, but okay, that's really easy for a team challenge, but oh well. It also says it's not that easy as it seems, but seems to me it's like quite easy, but well. So that's 2, just to do it with my main character now, and then we are done with Australia, guys. Oh, here is that dude, so I'm here because I switched it with the shrimp dude. Yeah, of course. Backflips. Okay, so this should be the last. Yeah, and of course I don't get it. Oh, I'm such a failure. Can I do it like this way? Yep, I can. So that's 1000 of 1000 goals. We should get a message from Hawk. You've cleaned your list. Australia is out of things to do for us to do. Let's hit the road. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. The level we got, as you can see, is like we got it 1000 of 1000%. So that's another level complete. I hope you enjoyed it. And sorry for the failing with the seagulls, but it's a really hard mission. You should try it yourself. It's a pain in the ass. But oh well, I will see you guys soon. And thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video, and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would help me a lot, guys. Thank you.